Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can search for bots on poe.ai website. So previously on this website, they did not have a search bar, so you would have to use different ways. But now they have implemented a search bar, so you can just search for a specific bot you like. But if you do not have a bot in mind, if you want to browse for different bots, you can go onto the Explore tab here, and here you have different categories of which you can choose. And then once you choose a category, you can just look for bots and find whatever you think is interesting. What also you can do on this website is, for example, if you click on a bot, you can just click on the user, and then you can see all of the bots that this user or this creator has created. So these are some of the ways that you can use poe.ai, or you can browse on this website. So yeah, I hope that this video is helpful, and thank you for listening.